1. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs has launched the FCRA 2.0 Feed portal and the EOCI, Digital Overseas Citizen of India, system. The new portal aims to reduce paperwork for entities receiving foreign contributions and digitize monitoring processes. Meanwhile, the EOCI system will enable applicants to receive their OCI cards in digital format. 2. The Ministry of Finance has approved a budget of 1.25 lakh rupees crore for the India Semiconductor Mission 2.0. An allocation of 76,000 crore rupees was made in the first phase. The mission aims to establish India as a global hub for chip manufacturing, with a focus on indigenous chip design, the production of advanced equipment, and the development of a robust supply chain. 3. The Union Ministry of Environment has released the India's Biodiversity 2025 Feet report. According to the report, 709 new animal species and 353 new plant varieties were discovered in 2025, bringing the country's total count of animal species to 105,953. Kerala led in animal discoveries, while Arunachal Pradesh topped the list for plant discoveries. 4. General Dheeraj Seth has assumed office as the country's 31st Chief of Army Staff. He succeeds General Upendra Dwivedi, who retired after 40 years of service. An alumnus of the National Defence Academy, NDA, General Seth was commissioned into the Armoured Corps in 1986 and previously served as the Vice Chief of Army Staff. 5. India's digital payment system, UPI, Unified Payments Interface, has now been launched in Greece, making it the 10th country in the world to adopt the system. UPI services were previously introduced in Singapore, the United Arab Emirates, France, Mauritius, Nepal, Bhutan, Qatar, Sri Lanka, and Cambodia. 6. Scientist Dr. Jagannath Nayak has been appointed as the Director General of the Missiles and Strategic Systems Department at DRDO. He is considered the principal architect of fiber optic gyro technology, which is used for the precision guidance of missiles and aircraft. He played a key role in the development of the country's first directed energy weapon system. 7. HDFC Bank has appointed Rajiv Kumar as its part-time chairman. Rajiv will succeed Atanu Chakrabarti. 8. RIMPAC, Rim of the Pacific, is the world's largest international naval exercise. It is held biennially near the Hawaiian Islands in the United States. Navies from numerous countries participate with their warships, submarines, aircraft, and troops. Its objectives include enhancing maritime security, conducting joint military exercises, and preparing for disaster relief, search and rescue operations, and countering maritime threats. More than 30,000 military personnel from 30 countries, along with over 30 warships, 5 submarines, and more than 200 aircraft, are participating in RIMPAC 2026. India is also a regular participant.